Here is the deal, December 21st, 2021. This, my friends, is a, what is it? Gates belt tensioner. See how wide that is right there? See how thick that is right there? That is not going to twist or flex very much. This is a Duralast. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good one. But the size of the arm on this is half of what this one is. This is a better one. This one will actually work pretty good. But see where that belt rides out way on the edge of that pulley? That's not good. That's not right. Let's swap this thing. Alright, so there's your difference right there. See that? See this arm? That's the Gates. That's the OEM. This is the Duralast. It's not bad. It's heavier than the other one I got, but here, look at it this way. Look at that. See this across here and that around there? That is so much beefier than this. This has got a little flex, a little play in it. This is made in Canada actually, but I'm right here in the O'Reilly's parking lot swapping this out. Wore my nicest, cleanest, whitest shirt, and we're going to get this thing in here right now. Oh, and the other thing, this has a little bushing, a little snubber that fits in that hole. This one just has a screw that fits in there and it swivels back and forth. And it says right here in the nomenclature, with and without bushing installed. That little bushing is kind of important. Aha, another key little thing. Might be screwing us up. Alright, I got this new one on there and I can tell you something right away. The way it fits, the way it right now, it's straight. It's got a little space in there. It may ride back out on the edge again, but I'm telling you what, that thing is so much beefier than the other one. Let me start this thing up, see what happens. Well, it still rides. Over to the edge of that pulley, but I wish it would ride over in the middle of that. But I don't know. At least it's staying on there.